Hello, everyone. It's Miss Garrett back for another book talk, and today I'm talking about fantasy books, my favorite genre to read. So here we go. So we first have Cursed by Thomas Wheeler. This just recently got turned into a Netflix series, so I'm super excited to watch it. You follow Nimue, the Lady of the Lake, from King Arthur and the Round Table, as she battles paladins, fights corrupt kings, and fights the dark magic that dwells inside her. So this is a fun twist on the King Arthur and the Round Table. Instead of following the king and his merry band of knights, you follow the Lady of the Lake, the one who had the sword. So I would definitely recommend reading this and then watching the Netflix series. Then we have The Young Elites by Mary Lou. So you have three characters, Adeline, Taryn, and Enzo. One is tired of being hurt, one fights for their king, one holds a secret, but all three paths collide. So this has three separate narratives that all collide into one at the very end. There are young people with superpowers, a government that doesn't like that they have superpowers, and Mary Lou is a great writer. She also writes the DC Icon series with Batman, Wonder Woman, and I believe Catwoman, and the Legend series, which has Legend, Prodigy, and Champion. So cool series to try out. Then we have Infects by Sean Beaudoin. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but we'll go with it. Follows Zombie Rules. This is a zombie apocalypse book. Don't be a sap, and Sarcasm Always. This is a very sarcastic and humorous look at a zombie apocalypse. You follow the main character as he goes on a camping trip, and all of his camp counselors turn into brain-loving zombies, and he and his other campmates have to figure out how to survive. So very sarcastic story, and if you like a little bit of horror, perfect for you. And then we have Six of Crows by Leigh Bardugo, one of my favorite authors. So it's one heist and six outcasts equals saving the world from certain destruction. This book, think Ocean's 11 just with six people. It's a fantasy heist, and saving the world is on the agenda. And last but not least, we have Flamecaster by Cinda Williams-Chima. So this is also two narratives that collide into one. Can Ash, a healer on a path for revenge, and Jenna, a mage-marked girl on the run, work together to topple a corrupt king? Another drama-filled series that has interesting characters and a lot of revenge and magic. So those are some fantasy books that I love. Go check them out on Sora.